Hi, this is Hassan Golmakani. I would like share my experience focus on corrosion, surface preparation, painting and coating. Please join me. In this channel, I want to explain the corrosion first, the factors that initiate and continue corrosion, the cause of corrosion, and the methods that can reduce the speed or stop corrosion. How does iron change to steel? And why steel rusted and corroded? We will learn about anode, cathode, and electrolyte and explain galvanic corrosion. We will learn about surface preparation, goals, different methods, and standards. Several methods of surface preparation will be demonstrated, such as hand and power tools. Surface cleanliness as a most important factor of surface preparation is a big chapter of this cause of effects of this division. Surface profile measurement by several test equipment and advantages and disadvantages of each one is the another important category that will be checked and compared. As a painting inspector, we have to know all paint component and role of each one. Resin character. I will fully explain the various painting methods including airless spray, conventional spray, brush, etc. Each method has some tricks we have to know and use of them for best result and standard methods for painter qualification. We need to know paint viscosity is very important. I will fully explain the inspection of painting and coating, focus on dry and wet film thickness with the relevant standards and explain. I will tell you how check all type of addition tests including pull-off, cross-cut, X-cut and so on. Paint defects will be another part of this channel where I will explain each defect completely, such as the description of paint chucking. Chucking occurs due to ultraviolet radiation from sunlight interaction with the constituents within the paint film. Over time, UV degradation of the binder or resin within the paint film will allow the exposed pigment particles to become more loosely bonded. The coating of underground and submarine pipelines will be the next part in which I will explain both the implementation and their inspection methods. I will also deal with concrete weight coating at this category. Concrete weight coating is a plant applied coating used to provide negative buoyancy for offshore pipeline. We will review part of the painting inspection courses that I have held before and see the questions and answers raised. We truly review the datasheet of the paint companies. All items in a datasheet is really important and we have to learn more about products' properties. Thousands of important issues related to the inspection of paint and coating are the topics that we will learn in this channel. Please subscribe to the channel to know about the next videos. Thank you.